What's up, guys? Let me show you guys on how I took this particular sell from this particular level around, I'm going to show you how I took it and how you can also be using this particular strategy to make your money in the forex market trading gold. Gold is very high volatile pair, so you guys, it's not for beginner friendly because it's very high volatile pair. So in this video, I'll show you guys on how you can spot this particular strategy and how you can be using this particular strategy over and over. And you can see I hit my full TP already on this gold. So what I do, let me just even delete all this one so that you can see what I do in this particular with just my smartphone. I've already set up everything. You can see this is all my targets. This is target one, where I am trying to look for sell, and when the sell come, I look for some confirmation on 3 minutes. Here you can see on 3 minutes I see a what? You can see this candle. Can you see? With its rejection candle. After that particular rejection candle, I just took my what? My twos and and after I just took around this level. I just want to show you. Then I just target. I leave the trade for like 4 hours for it to run. Then I just put my stop loss above in case of, and you can see. So now let me just show how I do this, so that I don't want to waste your time much. So this is what I normally go to my 4 hours every single day. I look for some certains, on the 4 hours level. So you can see right now, this is the recent low on the 4 hours level. On the 4 hour, this is the recent. We can see some little support on 4 hours here, and the market has come there already. Even I may look for some buy here, this area, if I see confirmation. But so you can see the market is uptrend already, but the market do something around that particular 4,181. So let me just go to my 1 hour. I will show you right now what I see on 1 hour. You can see this is what let me even show you, so that on that particular 1 hour level, what the market does on that area. So let me show you with my tools here for you guys to see what I'm trying to say. On the 1 hour level, the market just drastically fall to this level first. After falling, the market pull back a little bit. After that, the market do what? Drop again. And after that, the markets come here again. You can see how the market is doing. The market falls low, then higher low, lowest low, then higher low again. Then this is another what? Another low, recent low. But it never break this level. But when the market break this level, I will still look for some sell and wait for the tests. So this is what the markets do. All right, gold normally pull back no matter how. You can see a very clean market structure around this area. So when the market comes to that particular area I mark, I told you earlier, I just look for my on this area. I just look for my on 3 minutes. See the candle I saw on 3 minutes. You can see it right now. Just so always master this kind of candle. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure you like this video and share it to people. Confirmation is very important, and the market normally respects what it did in the past. It normally respect over and over. You can see even this market, if the market rejects its area and see confirmation, we can look for buy. But if the market break this level again, broken this level, all right, then let me just even show you. If the market broken this level or drastically, we are going to look for trying to show you, if the market, let's say the market is doing something, the market finally, okay, let's say the market right now, as it's coming, it just try to broke this level like this, broke it like this. Then we need to wait for pullback around this level again with confirmation. Then we now start to sell. Hope you understand me. So always wait for pullback, then you sell. That's how the market works. So, but it requires a lot of patience. That's how it works. So guys, share this video to people and let people learn from these videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.